Hi friends, it's Thalia and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I decided to create another eyeshadow tutorial using the James Charles palette. I really love how this makeup look turned out. I don't know what to call this look, honestly, guys. Like, I just want to create different looks using the palette. A really colorful eyeshadow look. You got the pink, the purple, and a little bit of ice shimmer, and the bottom is like a teal shade. Of how all this look turned out, and I'm really excited to show you guys how to create this look. It's super easy. If you guys are new, hi, my name is Thalia and welcome to my channel, guys. If you guys are not subscribed, go ahead and subscribe down below if you like. That is pretty much it. Oh, before I get started with the video, my mom started a YouTube channel uploading easy, like, for me, breakfast, lunch, and dinner, like recipe, Mexican food and American food and all that good stuff. They're like super easy to make. Go ahead and check her out and I'll link it down below. Pretty much it, guys. So let's just get started with the video. Camera, I did my eyebrows using the NYX Professional Makeup Micro Brow Pencil, and this one is the shade Expresso. Also prime my eyelid and set it with powder. Concealer, I used the E.l.f 16-hour camo concealer, and this one is the shade Fair Warm. And for powder, I did use the Rimmel London Stay Matte powder. I'm almost out of this powder. So good and very affordable. I'll link all the products down below for you guys, so you guys know what products I use if you guys want to try it and all that. I'm gonna go ahead and start with the eyeshadow. I'm going over with this James Charles palette and create a look for you guys. I don't know what to call this look, so that's why in my title it says another look using James Charles palette, because honestly, I don't know, it's just very colorful eyeshadow and I thought it was really cool. So yeah, first shade I'm gonna go in is with this pink shade right here, which is more like a hot pink. Anastasia Beverly Hills brush, and I'm gonna be using this side of the brush. So I got a little bit closer, that way you guys can see what I'm doing. So I'm taking this pink shade and I'm just gonna tap it. Sorry if I'm like turned around, but just need to figure out what I'm doing. I'm gonna go ahead and apply this the middle of my crease, and I'm just like blending back and forth. I'm going inner and then outer, and then just basically like in the middle of my crease. And then I'm just gonna grab a little bit more because I do want that pink to stand out. So I'm mainly focusing in the middle of my crease, and just make sure you don't go like really upwards to your brow bone area. On the middle of my crease, I'm just gonna smudge it a little, kind of bring it into my crease, and then just to have that really bright pink shade. So the next shade I'm going to be applying is this purple shade right here. I'm using this type of angle brush, and this is the Real Technique 328, this type of angle. Kind of like below of my lid area, like smudging it, like kind of blending it with the pink shade. Okay, so I'm just gonna keep blending, because you don't want that pink shade to disappear. A little bit more of that purple shade, because I do want it to be like a little smoky. Kind of focusing like where I do my eyeliner. I'm just gonna keep blending until it's like really like smoky. Back with the pink brush, and whatever's in the brush, I'm just gonna blend the top just so it can blend with the purple shade. And then just gonna go on the other side and do the same thing, kind of like blend it, because I do want that pink shade to stand out. I'm gonna do a cut crease, and I'm gonna be taking this brush right here, which I normally use this to create cut crease because it's easier. You can get this at Amazon. They have like a huge like brush sets for like $20, and they work pretty good. So I don't know what's the brand, but I did purchase it from Amazon. I'm taking my E.l.f 16-hour camo concealer. I'm gonna get closer in the camera, that way so you guys can see what I'm doing. So I'm gonna go ahead and create a cut crease. shimmer eyeshadow, I'm gonna be taking this blue one right here. I'm gonna apply it on my crease. I'll be taking this angle and I'm gonna apply it on my crease area. Just gonna go back and kind of blend the outer V because I do want that to stand out. I'm just going back with the pink and just gonna blend the top area. I'm gonna go ahead and do the other eye. Now I'm gonna start off with my face. So for primer, I'm gonna go in with my Rimmel London Insta Flawless Primer. This is Perfecting Radiant Primer. It gives a very nice glowy on the face. And I'm gonna apply my forehead, chin. Go in with my Wet n Wild Photo Focus Foundation Dewy, and this one is the shade Buff Bisque. The spatula of my foundation and kind of apply it. I like it because it's very handy. You don't have to use like your fingers and all that, so that's what I really like about that. And I'm just gonna apply it on my forehead area as well and spray the sponge. Because I do want it to be a little moist and easy to blend. So I'm taking my Ulta makeup setting spray and just gonna spray it just to have. I'm gonna go ahead and blend my foundation. Make sure you blend in like around this area of your ear just so it can match, and then drag it down to your neck as well. Concealer, I'm gonna go in with my Tarte Shade Tape Concealer, and this one is the shade Fair Beige. Under eye area. And then this time I'm kind of gonna go in a little deep. I'm gonna apply just a dot in my nose area, my chin, my cupid's bow, and the forehead. Then we're gonna go back with the sponge and just kind of blend everything in. I'm gonna blend my under eye using this side of the sponge because I feel like it's more easier. To set my under eyes, I'm gonna go in with my Airspun Loose Face Powder. This one is translucent extra coverage, where I apply all my concealer, and just gonna take this side of the sponge and kind of apply it, because if I don't set them, they will crease like crazy. Then I'm gonna apply it on my nose area, basically where I apply my concealer. My chin area, around my mouth area. So I'm just gonna leave that. Next, I'm gonna be going in with my Makeup Revolution to contour, and this one is the shade C11. This area, really like this product because it's like so creamy and easy to blend. And I'm just gonna apply it a little bit like on my forehead area, taking my beauty sponge and just gonna blend that in. I really like the color. It's so nice and so easy like to blend. See how easy was that? I'm gonna blend the forehead area. I do want it to be a little bit more bronzy, so I'm gonna go in with my Kat Von D Brighten Powder Illuminating, and this one's the shade Golden. Set my whole face. Just taking this brush and just lightly, you know, right now I'm just making a lot of mess. Allergies. And apply powder all over my face, just to set it. And then just remove the powder where I apply my under eye area. I'm mixing two bronzers, Hoola Benefit. Okay, so I'm gonna apply the Hoola bronzer, bronze up my face. And then I'm gonna apply a little bit on the forehead area. And with the, I think it's Wonder Beauty, I'm gonna take this bronzer right here. It has a little bit of shimmer. And for blush, I'm gonna go in with my Tarte, and this one is Double Duty Beauty Blush, and this one is the shade Moment. My Real Technique brush, this one's $4.29, which is a soft blush. And apply it in my cheekbone area. I'm kind of dragging it upwards. Take my Morphe contour sponge. I'm gonna line this up. Contour my nose, and I'm going to be taking this brush light colors blending. I know it's like for eyeshadow, but I feel like this is more like easier to blend. I'm not a pro contouring my nose, but somewhat it makes a little bit difference. I'm gonna go in with my Anastasia Beverly Hills Glow Kit. I'm gonna be taking this really gold shade right here. This bow area, just a little bit. The temples of my forehead. Use my finger, just a little bit. I don't want to go too dramatic with my nose area. Just like dab it a little. I'm gonna remove the powder. Just go ahead and finish up the eyes with this blue shade. And I'm gonna apply it in my under lash line, my Anastasia Beverly Hills brush, and I'm gonna use this side of the brush. Go ahead and take this like a lime green shade and mix it with the blue shade. Really beautiful, like a teal color, and I really like it. But next I'm gonna go with my e.l.f. eyeliner. I like using this eyeliner because it's so easy to work with, like especially for beginners. I am not a pro applying eyeliner. Mascara, I'm gonna go in with my Sleek Makeup Conditional Mascara. Eyeliner, I'm gonna go in with my Wet n Wild. This is Color Icon. I'm gonna be applying this eyeliner, which is the shade White, and I'm gonna apply in my waterline area. I'm gonna go back with the mascara and apply mascara on my bottom lashes. I'm gonna go back with the Anastasia Beverly Hills. Take the shade Summer and apply it in my inner corner area. I'm gonna go in with my Kylie Cosmetic lip liner. This one is Dulce K. The Ulta Beauty lipstick. This one is 224. Dab it in. It's more like a nude color. And I'm gonna go in with my Innocent lip gloss, and this one is the shade Nude Candy. Go in with my MAC Prep and Prime Setting Spray. That is the makeup look, guys. I love this look. So that is pretty much it for this video, guys. I really love how this makeup look turned out. I think the lashes will look so pretty with this look, but obviously I don't want to like mess up the eyeshadow, and it's gonna take time to apply the lashes. I really hope that you guys enjoy watching this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up, and I'll see you guys on the next video. Bye guys.